Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company NeatandSleek, and today I'm going to be showcasing their Pamela box braid full lace wig. This one is in the cap size small, and the color on this one is a 1B dark brown and light brown. I also have the waistline, and this one also has sparse baby hairs. I'm going to place this unit on the mannequin head just so you guys can get a better look at what the cap construction is looking like before I place it on my head. I also want to let you guys know that this does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and it also comes with fully bleached knots, so you don't have to worry about that. Now I'm going to be removing this braid across the front of the hairline because this is your sparse baby hairs. I'm also going to go in and just pluck this out a little bit more. This is totally up to you if you want to just leave them as is and cut them down shorter. For me, I like for mine to be really sparse, but on the website they do offer to have no baby hairs. But when it comes to braided units, I like to have them and kind of work around them if I need to versus not having any at all. Definitely thin this out really good, and I'm pretty sure that I'm going to make more customizations once I put this on my head. But like I said, it is definitely up to you on how thick you want those sparse hairs to be, but this is what it is looking like. And now I'm just going to go ahead and tighten up the unit and place this on. Now this is a small cap size once again, and I feel like this cap size fit me really good. So that is what it's looking like so far. The hairline looks on point for them to have pre-plucked this out already. It's looking really good. Those knots are looking very tiny because they already pre-bleached it, but we're going to get to working on cutting off this lace. For today, I'm going to be using my Ebin New York Active Spray. This has been the spray that I have been using lately because I want to get a really good feel for it. But this spray is pretty thick and it does give you a really good hold. So far, I have not broken out yet on my skin, so that's a good thing. But I'm just going to place that lace on top and kind of pat it in with my fingers. And then I'm going to go in with my rat tail comb, the end of it. And then I'm going to use my blow dryer just to speed up the process, really making sure to pay attention on the side by my ear because I don't want that to move at all. I'm going to just take this elastic band that I purchased from Amazon, and I'm going to place this around the front of my hairline because I want this to really melt in. And I'm going to just take a little small break. I let this sit on for about 15 minutes before I removed it. Now I'm just combing through the sparse hairs because they did get stuck a little bit from the spray, and I'm just going to work on cutting them down a little bit shorter. Now I am going to end up plucking out some more hairs in the front because I want them to be as thin as possible. I realized I didn't want them to look too thick because I wanted the hairline to still come off looking natural. Yes, your girl did bust out her flat iron to swoop these hairs because I needed them to be swooped right in place. So I'm just going to take that same spray that I used to lay the lace down and work on my little swoopy doop doops. As you can see, it's just kind of curling around. Then I'm just going to cut some of the hairs down shorter so they won't get in the way. No, some people are going to say, dang, that's kind of pricey. Yes, I know, but it is a full lace unit and they are pretty rare on the market nowadays. And I prefer full lace braided units. One, if you take really good care of them, they're going to last you about a good year or two. The last one that I did, it lasted me a good amount of time. I had no cons when it came to that unit at all. Plus, you don't have to sit in the salon and wait for a long period of time. And this is going to last you a little bit longer because you can take it off, put it on when you want to, and you're going to be good to go. And the lace does look good even in natural sunlight. So I just want to show you guys what the back of the unit is looking like. Full lace in the back is definitely giving me scalp vibes, but as you can see, it is parted, more spaced out in the back versus in the front. I feel like it's more tightly packed. So you're going to have to really be careful with how you want to style this because of how close the braids are, but that is how this particular wig is supposed to be. They do offer more braided styles on the website if you are not feeling this one, and these are a little bit smaller. I will say I did feel a little bit of weight with this unit, but I didn't feel like it was super heavy. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of options when it came to styling this unit. This style is really, really cute. I feel like it fit really well with this wig, and you can see the parting space really good. And you notice I did not put any powder into the parting space area just because it wasn't needed. So I'm just going to do this cute little, you know, 2 ponytails on the side. And it was easy for me to style this hair as far as like pulling all the braids up without it looking bulky. So I was happy about that. I was considering doing space buns, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to leave that alone and not have to wrap the hair. But I did pull out 2 little, you know, I guess you can call them bangs in the front. But yeah, 2 little, 2 little pieces in the front. And I thought that was really cute. And now I'm just going to do like a quick little half up, half down style. So I'm just going to pull this hair up a little bit higher, but let me know what style was your favorite, and are you feeling the braided units? If you are feeling this particular style, I am going to make sure to leave the links down below. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel once again, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.